Hello everyone, hope you all are safe. Today Learn-O-Play is celebrating Father's Day. Yes, a special bond between child and dad. Today we are going to do a craft on Father's Day, and the theme which we have selected will be done by me and my son. Before that, a small request: subscribe our channel if you like our work, and please click on the bell icon. I gave lot of thought that what should be done on this Father's Day. What should my son do for his father on this Father's Day? I asked him that whether you want to prepare a card. He was least interested. Then I observed him. He was separating his stuff and his dad's stuff on one common table. They share one table and he was separating his stuff and his dad's stuff. I observed him doing this 2-3 days. Then I asked him, would you like to prepare a table organizer for your dad and for yourself on this Father's Day? He was very excited with this idea. So, we have decided to create a table organizer for father and son. The idea of this table organizer is best out of waste. As you can see, we have taken this empty carton of real juice pack. We have taken one empty box of cookies, and we have taken these disposable bottles, and we have taken one old gift wrapper. First, we will be covering both sides of this carton using this gift wrapper. We will be keeping white color outside and the written stuff inside. We are pasting it in this way. And we have put these two origami flowers in the front to give a final look. Here, to create a separate portion for his dad's phone or for his keys, I am using this small box which I have taken out of one wedding invitation box. Yes, I have taken this portion out of one wedding invitation box. I am using this box to create a separate portion for mobile and keys. Then, to create partition in between, I am using this cookie box. Yes, I am taking cardboard out of this cookies box, as he is too small to do this entire craft independently, so I am helping him out. Now these disposable bottles have been cut. The neck of these bottles have been cut, and these bottles we are using to keep pens or color pencils or crayons. If you don't want to use these bottles, you can simply create more partitions using cardboard. Now, to indicate that which row has his stuff and which row has his dad's stuff, we are creating markers also. Yes, this heart shaped marker I am creating and I am putting photo on it. One marker has his dad's photo and the other marker has my son's photo. Now this will clearly indicate that which row has whose stuff. Though this table organizer is not that fancy looking, but it is helpful. Hope you liked it. So we will meet again with another interesting video, the next concept of pre-number series. Please stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.